welcome back to the channel. So today I thought we would do a come clean with me video. So we're going to head on into the salon. Don't judge the mess. It is a mess. I've been waiting for it to cool down because it's really hot in there, and I'd have to put the aircon on. But I was waiting for a cooler day. It's a grey day now here in the UK. It's cooler, so I thought it'd be an ideal day. But I've just had loads of mail arrive, so that's all got to come up into the salon. So I just thought I'd give you a quick look at that, because that's got to come up with us, and then we're going to head on in there and clean. So I'll just spin you around, just show you what I've got here on the table. I'm going to give you a little peek, and then let's go and clean. So these are packets and packets of full cover nail tips. So I found a really good vendor that I use when I do press on nails, so I decided to order in bulk, and I've put it on my Etsy shop and I've put it on my website. So I'm going to sell them, as well as some of these magnetic display stands and some palettes. And I'm still waiting. I think I'm due another box because I'm still waiting for more. Then I've got some adhesive tabs. I'm trying to show you there. You know, that you use for press-ons. I've ordered those in bulk, so I've got like loads of those. And then I ordered some more lashes. So when I do pre-made volume lashes, I use these, and these are really good. So I was just sorting out my lash trays the other day, and I realised I needed more of these. So I use 4D. Normally I had 0.07, but I thought I'd try the 0.10, and I've got them in decurl, and they're these Russian lashes. And then I've got some more, that's just my resin stuff. Just got some more gels. So these are Premier Gel that I use. These are like builder gels. They look quite pink here, but they look quite natural on their website. Then I've got like a peachy colour, like a lilac, knocking everything over. More pinky colour, and black. So just, not that I need more gels, but got some more gels. So yeah, that's just like a little mini haul. Also, I can't leave out, I need to show you these. I've got some new enamel pins. So this is from Catnip. She's based up like Newcastle, Sunderland in the UK. So I don't know if you've heard of her. She's got an excellent channel here on YouTube. So I ordered some of her pins. I've become a pin collector. If you want to see my pin collection, comment down below and I'll do like a little video, just my pin collection. And then I ordered this nail polish. It's more of a badge, but I've got my own enamel pin that I designed. Then I've got that one, and I thought I'm going to do a collection of all like nail polish badges, and then I want to, like when I'm working, I want to wear them on like my apron. So if you've got any good suggestions of any good badges or nail polish sort of badges, enamel pins, then let me know. But yeah, if you want to see a video on that, then comment down below and I will do a video on that. But anyway, I'm procrastinating. We need to get in that salon.